njengala just le njuzana le building le jwayelekile nje ukuthi bayashayana usisi uye wazilahlela from allegedly uzilahlele yena ngokwakhe akaphushwanga kodwa abantu bebehlala beshayana indoda umshaya all the time. What will be the first thing uyicabangayo uphushiwe?
Yes.
Yabona, so izinto ezisho ukuthi no one cared ukuthi bayashana like mabeqala isikole hayi vele into zabo sesijwayele.
But why kumele singakhathali? Yazi maybe not like it maybe the next generation will care enough because the first generation bebenza izinto singazazi zenzele bomnyameni thina igeneration lelandelayo yazi expose and then yaziphakamela. The generation yamanje yama 2000 futhi yona ayincengi even though na isashota la ishota khona. But maybe the generation ezayo maybe they will say no, maybe enough people have to die first before kumiwa ngenyawo. You understand? Maybe as long as safa bo 970 maybe sibone ukuthi
iyashona ukuthi abantwana bethu they witnessed us sishaywa senziwa lezo zinto umntwana agcine seyinguye uzithathela ubaba wakhe. Bengilalele uTerry Crews where he was saying that ngena ubaba wakhe waze wamshaya ngokwakhe. At even to date ngisazisola ukuthi baba ngamshaya athi ngamina ngaliftela ukuthi one day I'm going to protect my mom.
Ngiyabona.
And then umntana wakho isaqala impilo yakhe lifeini uqeda ukufunda wenzani useka nawo amandla okushaya avela kubulale umntana wakho ufunde iminyaka uhambe ejele.
Yabona ukuthi it goes back like yonke lento esikhulumayo bongayibheka it always circles back to one place. Sikhulume maybe for 2 hours but sikhulume into eyi-1 if ungayinaka kahle because khona manje we make example kaTerry. We going back to say this thing ayiqali umuntu makazokuphakamisela isandla. This thing iqala lo muntu asesemncane iqale endlini. It started home. We understand that. That's where charity begins. We understand that. So like gents, we need to change ukwenza man. Like we need to change ukwenza. Thina those who can, let us teach our children ukuthi uthando yini. Let us teach them ukuthi umuntu uphathwa kanjani. Let us teach a boy to be a gentleman. To the limit eyenkulumo yazi mfethu yazi mina the way ngithambe ngakhona especially at home the way ngithambe ngakhona like yazi like khona manje like nomuntu right and like I'm planning to marry her and I pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu anginikeze amandla ukuthi ngimsho mina I'm not afraid ukuthi ngizubhlungu. The one thing engiphila ngayo ukuthi I love you as much as I can love you. If that love is not enough then mina I'll say at least I tried.
I always say that exhaust your resources so that when you leave or when you give up on whatever particular thing, awunabo if only, I should have, I could have.
And if lezinto lezi zabo khama ziqiniso then mina I'm sure ukuthi ukhama ngeke adlalele kimi. Angeke uzodlula kwi address yami because of I did everything I can. You understand?
Yes.
Then but mina that's me. Sengikhuluma mina manje. You understand? So like I believe ukuthi like I'd never yazi mfethu nama arguments wethu like are soft man, they are subtle. Yabo.
And kuthiwa ikhapule engaxabani ayikho normal.
No, you cannot.
But you know that.
You cannot.
You know that say.
The other day besine squilarinyana said so angazi ukuthi bengenzani but not to say ukuthi bengafuni but khona into bengicabanga. Wafika wangena emotweni wasivulela imoto wangena. Ngizwa le moto wakuthi papa ngithi athi akuruleki bulele lesedi lebathi. Ngithi athana wena wayekaje kusabulela usinosipho.
Exactly.
Ohweditseng. I was like hangeta sipho nawe yabo from there like uyabona so already you can see ukuthi okay lento engiimplantayo iyangena intwana yami khona manje recently beyiloke nenkinga izincost imali eningi kakhulu yabo like iqhamikazi and what not so I had to spend imali eningi.
How old is he?
And then saya and then we found out ukuthi ama kidney what so it's a long story.
Unangaki?
Una 12. Usiswakhe wathini? Usiswakhe una 13. Usiswakhe wathi babadlana na 1 year.
Hey mara nawe. Kana abantu zangumhemise. awumufa chance
and usendele wadotsha bengifuna ukumphinda.
Yeah.
Yabo. Athi like, and it came from the heart. Athi wayithi baba nna boy haka kula ba re batla kidney ke tlo mo fa kidney
No,
ya.
but
And from nowhere ke tlo mo fa kidney ya. I was like, wow. Yabo. So in a way ngiyajabula. Why? Whatever ngiyenza it means iyasebenza. Uzokhula, uzoba ingqondo yakhe. Maybe he will depart, maybe he won't. But mina I did what I can.
yes.
And if singaba baningi abayenza leyo nto, especially kwindawo esiphuma kuzo, yazi linking esinazo lezi zikhona kuma kundawo zama suburbs ne, but zire because of bayafundiswa.
Yes.
Uyangunderstand, umntwana khona makabuya esikoleni uhlala endlini uyafunda, udlala ama TV games wenzani, but endlini
And they follow like a decent dinner. Kuyahlala, how
Or
was your
6.
day?
Yeah.
And then you go through each other's day. Hayi lento yethu thina ukuthi omunye ufika ngo9, omunye udlela ekamereni, omunye wenzani.
omunye ubuye esikoleni ulahlela incwadi uyahamba uyibanganini
Yes.
uyomixana nabantu abarong. Uyangunderstand. So I'm not saying either way isikhula ngakhona mfethu. We cannot say selokishini thina.
Yeah.
Uyangunderstand. Ilokishini ine mentality yayo. But wena in your own home do what you can.
I love that.
Uyangunderstand. Endlini yakho wena do what you can. Train your kids, especially fundisa umntwana wakho ukuthi akahloniphe the woman.
And ngicela siye ku parent abantwana ngo government because nalento thina sifundisa abantwana bethu ngo government.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Akahloniphe the woman. Yeah, this thing government it's I sebenzi. We can see ukuthi government uithakana ndabana yathi. That's why it's maybe the future generation something will happen, but mina ngiboni.
Yeah.
I don't see that happening anytime soon. Like the way thina abantu abamnyama si program we ingqondo zakho zethu ngakhona, we are programmed ukuthi wena namanje sli monga suka la complexini one day maybe washayilo khunjana yakho efana neyakakarabo Moroka wasibiza manje so ngasasibizeli kwilokhunja kwilokhunja kwi podcast osibizela kwi TV program.
Yeah.
I'm telling you uthwele unenyoka. Yaba ngithi usebenzile. But ngiyakubona khona manje uyahereza, you are trying and you'll never know ukuthi uyophelela kuphi.
Exactly.
But fika lapho
Nenyo.
ngabona unhla phephethenye ngaka
Yeah. I mean that's what we
athi kiyano khaya nhlapha ngithi nalo baba uyaprovoke yazi ayina yasukelana shem.
And you know that he's the one who said I should write that. Does he have a snake? He gave me that caption. All the captions that I have with him.
Yeah.
He said I should write that.
Yeah. Why post na ku Facebook mos? Why post na ku Facebook at 9 yoka kanhlapha wahleka yabo. So as soon as uphumelela our the way si program we mindset ngakhona we won't say sli usebenzile, no, we will funa ama loopholes.
Or I slept my way to the top.
Yeah, une bless.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Chomi bar lethu fetse yang ebile na le mirire wide.
Why you taking?